Hello, everybody. I'm Kwame Apia of Bandov Spenya International School. I'm very glad to meet you today once again to continue our e-learning class. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this lesson. And today we will begin with reviewing, yeah, uh, with sentences from the new words. So please enjoy the lesson and look on the whiteboard with me. Yeah, it's a review lesson at page 50 and 54. At page 50 and 54. So, uh, right instruction is write sentences with the vocabulary. Write sentences with the vocabulary by using they are and ant. They are and ant. So the R is a positive and ant is the negative form. So I'll just always write that. This is positive. This one is positive, and then this one is negative. Okay. So we are going to use words like watermelons, onions, lemons to write sentences with they are and ant. So the sentences has been done already. So I'll just go through, read together with you. So sentence one is I like watermelons. They are sweet. I like watermelons. They are sweet. I like watermelons. They are sweet. So this watermelon. It's watermelon. So I like watermelons. They are sweet. Now we've used they are in this sentence. It's enough. So next to sentence number two. We like onions. We like onions because they aren't salty. So we like onions. We like onions because they aren't salty. They aren't salty. So onions is here. Sorry, onions is here. So we let's read the sentence again. We like onions because they aren't salty. So we have onions and then we use ant in the sentence. That's good. And then let's move on to number three. Is lemons are difficult to taste. Lemons are difficult to taste because they are sour. Lemons are difficult to taste because they are sour. Lemon is the object and we are in the word we use here. They are. So lemons are difficult to taste because they are sour. They are sour. So this is the third sentence. Okay, the fourth one is watermelons. So fourth one will be three items with watermelons, onions, and lemons. They are all having different. They are all having different taste. They all have different taste. So let's read the sentence again. Watermelons, onions, and lemons. They are all having different tastes. So in this sentence, we use different. So different was used. So we use different from this sentence, from the vocabulary. So this is the end of the review with the vocabulary or the new words at page 50, and the writing point is in page 54, where we use they are and aren't. Any questions? If there are no questions, I will say the review lesson is over. Let's join me in the next class for the new lesson. See you there. So now we come back to our new lesson. Yeah. So this is the new lesson. This is the new lesson. And we're going to work on writing point 4. Writing point 4 about apostrophe. Apostrophe 1 at page 54, unit 8. Page 54, unit 8. Page 54, unit 8. So that is apostrophe. So today we learn about apostrophe. So let's define or find the meaning of apostrophe. Use an apostrophe to combine two words. Use an apostrophe to combine two words. We call this contraction. When apostrophe is used to combine two words in English, another word for it is called contraction. So, like they and are two words, and we have used apostrophe. This is apostrophe, and that is called contraction. This is called contraction. They are. So this is a short form. So they are is the same as they are. They are. This is long form. They are plus are. They are. They plus are is equals to they are. So this is long form and this is short form. And we have the contraction because of the apostrophe, which is here. Apostrophe. Yeah. So combine they and are to make they are. So they plus are has been combined, and they are in the short form with they are. They are. They have, because of the apostrophe, have the contraction there. So example, they are my new friends. They are my new friends. So the sentence is shortcut because of the apostrophe. It has a contraction, and they plus are together in the short form. They are my new friends. So that is how it is. Now we move of and. And is equals to are not. Are not. So this are is here. Okay? It's here. Okay? And then the not also comes here. The not is here in a short form. So the two different words have been contracted by the apostrophe. So are plus not are ant. Are plus not is equals to ant. Combine are and not to make ant. Say ant. So example, they aren't my favorite snack. They aren't my favorite snack. The short form is they aren't my favorite snack. But long form, they are not my favorite snack. So in English, we use short form to write or also to speak, to give us more space on our writing sheet. So now there are examples here. We are supposed to work on it together. So the instructions are circle the contraction in the sentences, then write them on the lines. So each sentence, circle the contraction and then write a contraction on the line. So let's find out. Number one, bananas are sweet. They aren't sour. Where is the contraction in this sentence? Bananas are sweet. They aren't sour. Okay, so we've learned that this is the contraction. And in this sentence, and is the contraction. So you have to write the contraction here, and A-R-E-N apostrophe and T. So this is the contraction in this first sentence. Second sentence, where is the contraction in this sentence? 2. I like chips. They are salty. I like chips. They are salty. So where is the contraction, class? So we circle the contraction, that is they are. This is the contraction, they are. So write the contraction here. The okay, so this is the contraction in this sentence. Okay, the third sentence, Sue has some books. They are big. Sue has some books. They are big. Where is the contraction in this sentence? So automatically it's they are. They are. So we need to circle they are, and then they are here, and then write it on the line. So start with capital letter D. Okay, so that is done. They are. Okay. Next is 4. Eat some cookies. They are good. Eat some cookies. They are good. So where is the contraction in this fourth sentence? Automatically is they are. They are the contraction. So they are. So write the contraction also here. Apostrophe R. Yeah, stand. So this is the end of the contraction in sentences for this lesson. Okay, let's read quickly. Bananas are sweet. Full stop. They aren't sour. Contraction aren't. 2. I like chips. They are salty. Contraction. They are. 3. Sue has some books. They are big. Contraction. They are. 4. Eat some cookies. They are good. Contraction. They are. So any questions in this lesson? If there are no questions, I will say please practice it in your student's book and do the exercise in it. So see you. Goodbye. Enjoy your break and continue lesson. Goodbye. Thanks for watching my video. If you want more videos and more lessons, please like Facebook page Bandos Peña International School or YouTube channel Salah Bandos Peña. Okon Jum Replier.